I'll put it to troubleshoot.
So look, we're gonna take this off right here, and then put this piece at the other end, shove that sucker in there, and crank it up.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, hold on. So they are after you. Okay. This power, he said. Boom. And smoke. Should we check if anything's coming out? Oh yeah, look at that. This thing is going, man. There we go. That's relief. Look at this. It's coming from that crap again. See that? This is cool. I like it. Alright, so